How to autosave a Cisco VPN connection password on Mac OS X. I have set up a Cisco ipsec VPN connection instead of using the Cisco client on Mac OS X. I like it fairly well. It just sits in the tray next to the clock and allows me to easily connect and disconnect. However, the one disadvantage to this is that Apple's network preference pane really enforces the remote server's policy of not storing user passwords, so it will let me store it once when I first create the connection, and it will let me connect with it that way, but after I disconnect it removes the password and won't let me type in that field anymore. What I end up with is a box prompting me for login credentials each time I connect. Is there a way to bypass autofill this?
I finally found a working solution. I'm using AnyConnect VPN Secure Mobility 4.8. We can use this to connect to AnyConnect with terminal. To connect, printf username / password / New York. Connect host. Replace username, password, and host. The / New York at the end is to accept the login banner. This is specific to my host. Note the single quotes instead of double quotes. This is because double quotes tell Bash to interpret certain characters within strings, such as exclamation marks, as Bash history commands. Double quotes will make this command fail with an event not found error if the password contains an exclamation mark. Single quoted strings pass exclamation marks along without interpreting them. To disconnect. Disconnect. I've made an alias to bash_profile to those commands.
There is a workaround with AppleScript that works for me.
I got another script on GitHub. Instead of simulating click and input, this script accesses the process and simply triggers the actions. While the first time the script runs, OS may ask for accessibility.
A better way to use Cisco AnyConnect could be by using it via command line. Create a text file called anyconnect.txt and add the following. Here, replace the host, username and password. Also the 0 in second line is for the group. If you have more than one group, use the appropriate index. Then the only command you need to start your VPN is use the following command to disconnect. Make it more quick by defining these commands in your bash_profile like so. Now, command Cisco will connect your VPN, and no Cisco will disconnect it.